My name is Nia. This is my father.
Hi children, how are you? My name is Neju David.
Today we are going to make
Cookies. I think in the excitement of things, Nia even forgot what she's going to make. So let's see what she's going to make today. Right, Nia?
Yeah.
Okay. So instead of explaining each and every item, we'll just get away into the cookies. Okay? Okay. So let's start with what? Butter. So we need melted butter. Need not be exactly melted. Soft enough is enough. So we will take it and put it into the bowl, mixing bowl. Okay. What next, Nia?
sugar.
Sugar. So we need to have half cup sugar, please. Yes. And then we put half cup brown sugar. Sorry, 3/4 cup brown sugar. Then we put half teaspoon salt.
Now we are adding all the ingredients together. Now we are going to mix it.
So we have mixed it well. So we'll just show you. We have mixed it so nicely and so creamy it is now. Okay. So now we'll go to the next step, which is adding egg and vanilla extract. Okay, Nia. Let's put the egg. And we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I have a teaspoon. Sorry, this is half teaspoon and this is 1 teaspoon. So we put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That is 1. That is 2. Can you close this for me, Nia?
Okay.
Thank you. So then we'll mix all this together again. This is so creamy now. So now we'll go to the next step. Yeah, now we'll add 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Here it is. Now we will take the flour we have taken. We will add half of this and mix it first. Mix nicely. Once all this have got mixed properly, Nia,
Yeah.
then we'll add the remaining flour. Put in the remaining flour here. You don't need the spoon this time, just fill the spoon inside here. Yeah, that will do. Thank you. Then we'll mix it nicely again. Now, what we'll add is, we'll add our chocolate chips to make the cookie taste better.
Can I have a whipped it?
It's your call. You want to make it more tasty, chocolatey? You can add the whole thing. Wow, this is going to taste wonderful. This is going to be full of chocolates. Oh my god. This is full of chocolates. This cookie is full of chocolates. See that? So after finishing everything, let's make some balls and then we will refrigerate it for 30 minutes. So let's, Nia, can you help me making some balls?
Okay.
Let's take some balls. bigger balls, bigger balls. Yeah, I don't know. One. Yeah, Nia is making smaller balls and I'm making bigger balls. So cookies are going to have different shapes. Here we go. So these are our balls. So nice, and now we are going to refrigerate them for 30 minutes. We'll be back after 30 minutes. So we are back after refrigerating the cookies for 30 minutes. So now let's see how the cookies are. They're very hard now. So now what we'll do is, we will keep it in the oven for 20 minutes. Do you know why are we keeping it in the oven?
No.
To make it more crispier. Now it's become hard. You keep it in the oven, it will become more crispier and crunchier to eat. So let's keep it in the oven and come back after 20 minutes. Bye bye.
So here we are back.
Yes, we are back with the yum delicious cookies. So let me see the cookie. Wow, so tasty. So this is a Father's Day special. Thank you. Bye bye.